Hello and welcome to MR Telegram YouTube channel. Sorry for not posting videos lately. In this video we will talk about 5 unofficial Telegram apps. The list are not based on any categories, I just like using them. All links will be in the description below. And remember, don't forget to subscribe. One, Telegram X. Telegram X. An alternative Telegram client based on TD-Lib, with higher speed, slicker animations, and experimental features. Easy to use, you can download for Android and iOS. See demo in Android. Two, Igram. Igram, Advanced Telegram. Igram is one of the fastest and lightest unofficial versions of Telegram that, like the original application, uses Telegram APIs and directly connects to the main Telegram server. In terms of security, there are no differences between Telegram and Igram. Igram adds some extra features to official Telegram app. Plus change colors and sizes of many objects as texts, icons, headers, and create your own theme. Plus save your theme and share it easily with your friends. Plus option to use direct share on any chat. Plus option to use direct share without quoting sender. Igram seamlessly syncs across all of your devices and can be used on desktops, tablets, and phones alike. You can send an unlimited amount of messages, photos, videos, and files of any type. Groups up to 5,000 members, files up to 15 GB, create channels to broadcast messages to an unlimited number of subscribers, private chats with programmable self-destruction and end-to-end encryption. See a preview video. Igram is an unofficial messaging app that uses Telegram's API with extra features. It is totally free. Bettergram.io. An improved Telegram client with 50 pins, favorites, chat tabs, and cryptocurrency prices, built by the founder of Livecoin Watch. Plus Messenger is an unofficial messaging app that uses Telegram's API. One of the best rated messaging apps on Play Store. Plus Messenger adds some extra features to official Telegram app,